Hey, Danny. Okay, so now that we got the what class was that we were looking at? The auction class to compile. Let's take a look at what they're actually asking us to do here for exercise 449. It says add a getUnsold method to the auction class with the following header. So you got the header. And remember we mentioned in the last video this is your return type. So you're promising to return an array list with lots with lots in it. And it says here that you iterate over the lots field, storing the unsold lots in a new array list local variable. Okay, so and this is what you're looking for is lot objects whose highest bid field is null. At the end of the method, return the list of unsold lots. So yeah, let's break this. Let's parse this a little bit. It says this method should iterate over the lots field, storing unsold lots in a new array list local variable. So let's create an array list local variable first, and then we'll figure out the rest of it. So a local variable is a variable that you create inside of a method. So it's local to the method. Okay, so these are instance variables, okay, or fields. These belong to the entire class, and they're declared outside of any method. Okay, but the locals, do we have any locals? So here's a local variable, selected lot, and this only lives inside this method. So you can't refer to selected lot in any of the other methods like you can, you know, lots or next lot number. You can refer to those in any of the methods in the class. So let's make a local variable, and this local variable is an array list of lots. So here let's say array list lot. And notice with the local variables we don't have the access modifier. We don't have public or private like we do for the fields. Okay, so we're just going to say array list lot, and let's just call it unsold lots. How about that? Okay, so that's the name of our variable, and we can initialize it right here in place by saying new array list, and you can even use the diamond notation if you have a recent version of Java, which I'm sure you do. So let's make sure this compiles. Okay, if this doesn't compile for you, you can you might have an older version of Java. You might have to type in the class name, but I'm going to leave it out because, you know, if you need it, go ahead and put it in, but most likely you don't. So you most likely want to use the diamond notation. So this is just you can see why they call it the diamond notation. It's just it's a less than sign and a greater than sign. Kind of looks like a diamond. Okay, so now we're looping through the lots, and what we want to do is we want to collect the lots that haven't been bid on and stick them into this unsold lots array. Alright, so how are we going to do that? So we're looping through. We said get highest bid, and actually we only want to add on we only want to add a lot to the array if this is null. Yeah. So we're not doing any printing at this point. We're just really looking to add stuff to an array, and then we're going to return that array. So actually, I'm gonna do this too. I'm going to say copy and paste, because this is the array we're going to return. Okay, so we're collecting all our lots, all the unsold lots in this array, and then we're going to return this array. Okay, so we're going through all the lots. We check the highest bid. In this case, we want to say if it's equals, right? And remember, comparison is two equal signs. Okay, if you have just one equal sign, you're doing an assignment. All right, so let's say that. So if it's equal to null, that means we haven't sold it. So that's the one we want to add to our array list of unsold lots. So here's our array list, and to add a lot to it, we just say add lot. Okay, we want to add that lot. All right, and then we return it. Okay, so that's how you do exercise 449. You're also for this assignment required to do exercises, let's see, 50, 51, and 52. Yeah, so 51 through 52. So give those a shot too, and then if you're running any trouble with them, then let me know, because this is gonna require, because I don't think I saw, because this requires a modified. Yeah, I didn't see any reference to those exercises. It's going to require modifying getLot and adding a removeLot method. Okay. So again, like I said, give those a shot. If you have any trouble, give me another holler, and we'll get it working.